Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Now going to edit trainee preset 2. You can get presets file from the description box. If this is first time viewed watching my video or this is the first time you are visiting my channel, make sure you that hit the subscribe button. The password will appear in the upper right corner as a card. Type. The password will appear at any time. Make sure you pay close attention. First, edit brightness. Exposure minus 0.08. Contrast 64. Highlights 39. Shadows minus 31. Whites 20. Blacks minus 14. Then curve. Then color effect. Temperature 0. Tint 0. Vibrance minus 14. Saturation 5. Red. Hue 16. Saturation 42. Luminance 11. Yellow. Hue minus 95. Saturation minus 100. Luminance 0. Green. Hue 100. Saturation minus 100. Luminance 0. Light blue. Hue 98. Saturation minus 100. Luminance 0. Blue. Hue 98. Saturation minus 100. Luminance 0.
Baby, why can't you sleep at night? Tell me lies, I just wanna know the truth. Do or die, is it me or is it
Effects editing. First texture 33. Clarity 18.
you? Can't say I haven't tried to cross this great divide. Your feelings come and go, but I still love you so. There is nothing I won't do.
𝗬𝗍 -2. Vignette -12.
You can walk away, but I'll keep coming back to you. Back to you. Coming back to you. Back to you.
Spotlight. Highlights 219. Saturation
Back to you.
10. Shadows 198. Saturation 10.
Sorry for being a mess. I gave my best, but was too late. Yeah. We talk about this, can't forget. I'm seeing you in everywhere.
I'll last edit the details. Sharpening 13. Masking 5. Noise reduction 7. Contrast 10. Color noise reduction 12. Thanks for watching this video, and subscribe and click the bell, and turn on the notification.